How to recover Upwork account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can recover Upwork account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to open up Upwork. For that, open up your web browser and head over to Upwork's website. So head over to Upwork and you can then go to upwork.com. So after you're on Upwork's website, that is upwork.com, you'll find the login button right here. So tap on login. If you don't have an account, you can sign up as well. Tap on login, and after you tap on login, there you will find the login section where you can simply type in your user name or simply your email address. So I'll just type in my email address here and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, all I have to do is type in my password. Now, let's say that I have forgotten my password and now I want to recover the account. For that, tap on forgot password. After you do that, enter your email, then continue, and then you'll be sent a mail on your this very email. And let's head back here, open up our mail. Let me go to the mail account here. Then from here, you will get this email. So open this up and then there you will see reset password. Tap on reset password. Then you can close your Gmail up. And now all you have to do is type in your new password. So type in your new password that you want to set and do that again. Retype the password and then tap on change password. Doing that, your password will be changed. And now all you have to do is now log in into your account. And you have basically recovered your account already. Only thing left is logging in. So type that in here. Then type in your password that you just set. Then tap on login. After doing that, you'll be logged in into your account. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.